Okay, now let's have a look at some of the end milling machines that are used in aluminium applications, although some of the machines that I'm going to show you here are also used for UPVC applications. The first machine that I would like to talk about is called Lola, and let's have a look at the video of this machine. That's the machine. It's a portable machine, small machine. This is the FRL unit. Uses 7 to 8 bars of compressed air pressure. That's the profile. Okay, it's got a 6 position end stop, so you can set the machine for 6 different profile to set the cutting depths. This is the spray mist lubrication unit. That's the spray mist lubrication unit, and this is the cutter spindle block, cutter block spindle. This is where you mount the cutters. It's a manual operation. When you move this lever, the cutter block comes and does the end milling of the transom. It's got a tilting fence. You can do the end milling at 90 degrees or from plus 45 to minus 45. You can set the machine here with this graduated scale, loosen this and make the fence go from plus 45 to minus 45 this way. Having set the angle, that's the tilting fence. It has been tilted. These are the horizontal clamps. That's the vertical clamp, and you can place the profile here and clamp the profile. Set the 6 position end stop at the appropriate bolt, clamp, and machine it. That's the machine. This portion is just the stand. When we coat, please be careful. This is an optional extra, and this is the basic machine that we quote for. Let's have a look at the technical sheet. It's got a 1.1 kilowatt motor. The cutter block shaft diameter is 32 millimeters, which means the cutters should have a hub diameter of 32 millimeters. The maximum diameter of the cutter that you can mount is 140 millimeters. The horizontal shaft stroke is 340 millimeters, and it only weighs 48 kilos, so it's a portable machine. Okay, standard equipment, you have one cutter block shaft complete with spacer rings with different thickness. Please note the spacer rings are not fully covering the cutter shaft. Okay, if the customer wants more spacer rings, he can get them made himself. Vertical and horizontal clamps with variable positioning, depth end stop with 6 presetting positions. You saw that in the video. Spray mist lubrication, service spanners. Frame is the stand I was talking about. Please note this is an optional extra. Supplementary cutter block. If the customer wants to keep the cutter sets mounted and just want to quickly change the cutter sets, then he has to go in for supplementary or extra cutter block shafts. Tilting fence, you saw it, you can tilt the job from -45 to +45. PVC corner cleaning device is in case you use Lola for cleaning the outer of PVC welded corners, then you will need this PVC corner cleaning device. Air filter and air gun, these are optional extra. Okay, so we've gone over all this optional extras.